Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a portfolio website with Wix, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Wix website. Click on the Get Started button. Create an account by entering your email and password. Alternatively, sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once logged in, select Create New Site. Choose the category that best fits your needs. Select Portfolio to focus on showcasing your work. Wix will offer you two options, ADI or Editor. Choose ADI for an automated approach or Editor for complete customization. If you choose ADI, answer the prompts about your style and preferences. Wix will generate a site tailored to your answers. Review the drafted site carefully. To edit the site, click on Edit Site. If you chose the editor option from the start, you will be taken directly to the editor. Familiarize yourself with the interface on the left side of the screen. Here you'll find options for adding elements, pages, and apps. Start by selecting a template that resonates with your work style. Click on Change Template if you'd like to explore other designs. Once settled on a template, begin customizing it. Hover over any element to see editing options. To change text, click directly on it and type your content. Add images by clicking the plus icon, then choose Image. Upload your own images or select from Wix's free gallery. Arrange elements on the page by dragging them to your desired location. Ensure to maintain a clean and organized layout. Add additional pages such as About and Contact by clicking Menus in Pages. For the portfolio page, consider adding a grid layout for your work samples. To create a grid, click on the plus icon and choose Gallery. Upload the images of your work and adjust settings. Make sure each gallery item links to an individual project description. For the About page, share your background and journey. Consider adding a professional photo to personalize it. On the Contact page, include a form for inquiries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.